How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Discord microphone picking all PC sounds. So it can be really annoying, especially when you are using Discord for competitive gaming. And to fix this, what you want to do is to head over to the Realtek audio console, and then simply inside this page, just navigate through your headphones. And from there, you just want to go ahead and click on your speaker. So it's going to be at the side of our screen, which is going to simply look something like this. And inside, you want to select the echo cancellation. So just simply click on it and you should be good to go. And at the same time, you also want to navigate through the default format, and you want to use this specific value right here. From there, let's head over to Discord, click on your user settings, and then look for the voice and video. Inside this page, make sure that you actually select your microphone that you are currently using. And in here, you also want to click on custom, and you want to select crisp as your noise suppression, and also select the echo cancellation just below that. And simply from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.